Education Minister Thokchom Radheshamgi Lamjing Makhada Education Department na Samagram Shiksha State Implementi Society Manipur gi Shenthanga loinana Government School singda Class 4 dagi Class 8 phawa tamliba mahiroi sing helicopter tonghanbagi khudong chaba ma pigadori Mahiroi singna helicopter tongbagi nungaiba se phangba ngamnanaba makhoi gi district sing natraga zone singda mari leinaba zonal education officer singna November tha manungda sinba zone wide competition ama saruk yagadabani competition asi kanglup ani thokna haibadi class 4 dagi class 5 phawa amasung class 6 dagi class 8 phawa haina khaidokani competition sing asigi winner singbu helicopter tonghangani Class 4 dagi class 5 phawi kanglup tagi khwai dagi phaba mahiroi ahum khangani aduga class 6 dagi 8 phawbagi kanglup tagi khwai dagi phaba mahiroi manga winner oina khangani zone amamamna mahiroi nipan oja natraga guide ama amasung ZEO gi mihut ama yauna representative tara khak recommend tawgani zone gi oina pangthokadaba competition sing ado board na piba theme know your state haiba sigi makhada tongan ba literary activity sing haibadi extempore speech quiz natraga atop kanglup singi storytelling natraga angang sing na state asigi maramda hena khangan bada mateng oigadoba hiram singda oigani competition gi topic sing state asigi mari lainaba hiram sing amasung information da yumpham oigadabani helicopter tonghanba se lakliba November 10 mari Children's Day numitta haugani State asigi ningthireba saktam amasung mafam sing angang singda top pamawongda khanganaba amasung bhap tahanaba khudongchaba si pibani helicopter tongmugi matam minute kun gi oigani hairi aroi bada pawbilai news leader gi video bi yengbiri khudingmukpu thagachari